See you in there.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out?
My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. And go.
I tried, and he's like, he can't. He was really saucy yesterday. Anyways, wait, who's sitting in front?
We should just go to his house and walk in and be like, "Hi, Mike."
Bump him. Oh, you got the low squat, dude, and everything. Right here. Caribbean. Cha-cha. It's a dope ass place. I'm gonna go too, bro. Good, thank you. Can I do the Cubano sandwich, please?
Okay.
A regular. For here, please. And I'll add that side to it.
What kind of side you want?
Fried plantain, please.
Okay.
And that'll be it for me right today. Ooh, actually, I might have to. Can I do a? Oh, it's good.
What is this? Oh,
you said watermelon? I'll do watermelon, please.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out.
Appalachian.
And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out?
No, this is still 2-1, bro. The big one's over there.
Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind,
What do you think about this as well, bro?
I got to keep you.
Bro, it's like a whole ass movie instead in here.
I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you.
No, I don't feel or hear anything. Oh no. Wait, how does it work though? Bro, no, help! One all.
not to keep you, to keep you. It's getting harder, you turn my heart out, throw me in water. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison.